Ryan the Fan Guy here, and today we have a Fanimation Enigma at Ryan Dan's mansion. Make sure nothing that the Viper isn't glitching. So, anyways, these fans do like to glitch a lot too. So have the Saturn, the second Centurion, the Venuses. So, anyways, here's the Enigma here, and it's actually chameleon finish, just like the one in the museum. But really, the one that Ryan Dan has is black. So, here's the light. It looks black, but it's actually, sometimes it looks chameleon to me, but you know what? It's actually black, so. And it is the metal blade version too, so I do like the metal blade better than the plastic. That's just my opinion, but I like the metal blade version better. So, anyways, here's low, medium, low. It's about low. Here is medium with the light on. It does have Enigma does have a very nice low speed. And I like Enigmas when they're on low too, besides the Hunter Discovery. So here's medium, off, high, medium with the light on. This is the speed I like the fans to be running on warm days. Some of them on medium, some of them on high. Like when everything's on high, it wastes too much energy. So that's why I have a few of them on medium. It's about medium. Here's the light off. I forgot to turn the light off on my demonstrations on medium with the fans in the garage. I was kind of doing it the old way, but here's the medium with the light off. And high. Medium off. High. Is that high? I can't tell if that's high. Low. It might be low. Off. I think it's off and high. So here's high. And I couldn't figure out how to operate this. I was trying to put the fans on medium, and this was ended up on high. This and the Viper were on high. And the Cristofano. Or Cristofano. Wobbles a little, though. Well, it's normal for Metal Blade Enigmas to wobble just slightly, because they kind of are known for balancing problems, which is why they went to the plastic blade version. So here's off, medium, low, off. I don't know what my testing box would feel like testing a Metal Blade Enigma. Like, I would love an Enigma for my collection. And having it on low reminds me of Blue Mercury, too, because Blue Mercury's like the makeup store, has like a bunch of it. It used to have 2 Enigmas, but they removed them, sadly. And it's done. Anyways, thanks for watching. Enjoy, like, comment, subscribe.